Hi everyone, welcome to my plant shop, Bleu Lotus Gardens. Today I am doing a little unboxing for y'all. I'm kind of just, you see right now, I'm kind of getting things a little bit organized for the plant shop, and then also for our next event. We will be at Raw & Sons Brewing Company in Fort Worth for an event. There will be a plant swap there, so bring all your fun plants. Come to my booth, and then I'll have some like little freebies for y'all. I'll also have a little giveaway that I'm doing, and then I am also going to be selling some fun little stuff there. So let's get on to the unboxing. It just arrived. I just opened it. First big one, as you see here, this is how your plants will be packaged. They'll be in this nice eco-friendly packaging, corrugated cardboard, and then also craft paper. And also you'll have little plant sticks that you'll see here. These will be there for support, so you'll see these in all your boxes. And I would always appreciate all the reviews from you. So most customers now are just sending pictures of their plants and how they love them and how they're enjoying them and their fun little placements, and then I'm just featuring them on our websites and sharing with everybody how much we dedicate ourselves to the plants that we have on our websites for you. So this fun little one I'm going to share with y'all. You're going to have to make sure that you push these flaps in. They're in there to support your plants. Are y'all ready? Oh my god. Look at this. Can y'all guess what this is? This is our philodendron red Congo. Y'all ready? Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh my god, look how big this is. Jesus Christ. Okay, so when you order a plant from shipping from a website, let me help y'all out. You're gonna want to not water it because we have already watered it for you. And it's already really moist. What you're going to do, if you have a humidifier, preferably place it near a humidifier. This will allow it to acclimate. You'll see the leaves unfurl a little bit more. There is also all these little ruffles will unfurl, so that's how you care for it when it arrives. But it's amazing. There's hardly any damage. And from what I see, and if there is any damage to your plants, please send it to me. So that way, please send me a photo of it, so that way I can fix it and get you the plant that you want. We take care of this really fast. But I just want to share with y'all. It's so big. Okay. Where do I put you? Okay, right there. So huge. So you can find this one on our website from our shipping catalog. In the shipping catalog, you'll find philodendrons. In the philodendron section, you'll find the red Congo on there, and you can purchase it from us. Sometimes it goes really fast, and I apologize. They're huge. Wow. Okay. And there's new growth on that as well. Okay, on to the next one. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, bleulotus.gardens. We post event updates and things like that. And recently we had a little event on how to create a kokedama. And in that event, we had a customer purchase Pilea pepperoides. Oh, I got that one right. Okay, and they made kokedamas from it. So thank you so much for purchasing from us, and then also creating this fun event with our community garden and Trinity the Grows. This one, we now have kokodamas on our website. And so you have this fun kokodama, right? And it's beaded also. Beaded, and it has this nice little hanger on it. So let me show y'all. I think this is so awesome. How this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there you go. So I chose the Papa's Enjoy to share with y'all. We have the Papa's Enjoy. There's also the Pilea Pepperoides. There's the Philodendron Basil. There's also the Golden Pothos on there as well, and a few others. And this is all within our shipping catalog. I'm trying to add more things onto our local pickup as well, but I'm a small home-based plant shop, so as I grow, I'll add more and more to our local inventory as well. Let me just move this little cute leaf out the way. So this is what you'll receive. Is this nice kokodama. It's already in its preferred soil. It's trailing already, so you know we got you covered. We got you the good stuff here. Look at that. Oh my god. I love Papa's Enjoy. And the beads will be like this, and there will be different colored beads, I believe, as well. But it'll be all like the same color scheme to make sure it'll like reflects one another very well. How cool is that? All right. Well, thank you so much for joining for my unboxing. I might have more coming up. And supporting our small plant shop, or supporting our YouTube channel as well. I really appreciate it. All links are down below, and you all are so amazing for supporting something that I'm really passionate about. Thank you all.
The next day.
Hi everyone, we have one more unboxing to do. So, this one's a really special one. It just came in. Let me open this one up for y'all. This is our 6-inch. So I'll give you a little sneak peek of that. Oh yeah, I am so ready for this. What do y'all think? This is our 6-inch Hoya Compacta Variegata. You get this. Some of them will be a little bit longer than this. Some of them will be a little bit shorter than this. But you're gonna get a good plant. You're gonna get one that's full. You're gonna get one that's great, very healthy. I'll show you up close. It's just, and I have a hanger for it, so you can place it on your hanger. But these are new, and I'll be placing these on my website. You'll see this one probably on local shipping. It'll probably already be sold by the time I put this video up. But yeah, this is exciting. Like, I'm bringing new plants in, and some that y'all have requested, and I know that y'all have wanted for a really long time, and so I hope I can become like a place where you can feel safe in shopping, plant shopping with us. You can always contact me for anything you need with your order. I'll get to you as soon as possible, and yeah. get a little look at that. Well, thank y'all so much for joining me today and unboxing these plants with me. I had lots of fun unboxing these plants, and I am so appreciative of you all supporting me. If you support me on my Patreon, we have a little extra gifts that we give out and go live and just communicate more with our community. Our Discord channel is always linked down below, so if you want to hang out and come chat with me, you can do that as well. But yeah, thank y'all so much for supporting my plant shop and helping me grow my little channel and my plant shop. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day wherever it is. Take care, everybody. Bye. Look at this big old guy.